Hello, hey there. You want to create a cool Hello, hey there. You want to create a cool trendy TikTok video that will go viral for sure? You wish to create good quality short videos for YouTube, TikTok, Facebook or Instagram and you do not know much about video editing? Do not worry. We have a solution in our hand. It is HitPaw Edimakor. It has many AI built-in features. Those are really helpful for a beginner. HitPaw Edimakor has unlimited amount of music, sound effects, stock footages, pictures, GIF animations, effects, tools for various actions, filters, transitions and so much more. If we go to HitPaw's website, we can see many features those Edimakor software offers. This video is not going to be a tutorial video, rather it's an explanatory and introductory video of this amazing software. Here we see a summary and a list of features. We can download different types of assets from internet and then use it in our projects. We can screen record and then edit it. We also can convert videos or audios in different types of formats without any hassles. So there are unlimited sound clips, effects, stickers, filters, transitions and various text animations and many stock video clips in HitPaw's asset store. We can easily add different types of subtitles with AI-powered speech-to-text feature, and there are more AI features like AI script generator, AI audio generator, AI audio editor, AI text-to-speech, etc. As there are various types of aspect ratios and formats for different platforms, you can easily adjust these in this software. By the way, you can try this software for free, but if you want to use all features without any watermark on your exported video, then you need to buy it. The pricing is surprisingly low comparing to other softwares. We will talk about it later. Here we see the transcribing feature. This uses the AI technology. So this software can easily do video cutting or trimming, clipping, editing different kinds of text and effects or even color grading. These things are not actually that much complex comparing to some professional softwares. So these are not actually complex for beginners. With AI noise remover, you can easily remove noise from any audio. Different kinds of background noises, hums or unwanted audio, you can easily remove them and get cleaner and clear sounds. So okay, HitPaw Edimakor has unlimited stock footage, different kinds of filters, effects, audio, text, stickers and so many more. You can find these all in the built-in asset store. We will show you in later part. So overall, I guess this software is full of features. Now I will show you how to install this software. You go to this download section, then automatically the software will be downloaded. After that you can easily install this software on your PC or laptop. So as you see, this software gets installed very fast. When we have installed this software on the PC, we have a desktop icon here, or we can open this software from the startup menu. So just double click this. This is the main menu of this software. We can create a new project from here. We have a screen recorder feature here. To make a subtitle, we can use this feature, or even we can create some video with this AI video generator. We have a toolbox here. Here we can see a photo enhancer, a screen recorder and the AI video generator option here. This photo enhancer actually improves the quality of any photos, and the AI video generator creates videos with AI script generator. Recording screen is actually very easy. You just click here and it starts recording the screen automatically. Then when you wish to stop, you just need to click the stop button here. Then the screen recording will be turned off. Another thing is that you can control the screen recording from this toolbar. You can control some features like the microphone and the speaker from here. After the recording stop, you then can edit this, cut the clip. Another tool is this subtitle maker. You will get this interface from here on the media panel. Here when you import a video which you wish to get transcribed, you import that video and then add that on the timeline. This is the timeline. On the subtitle panel here, when you click on this auto subtitling, you will see this that the trial has many limitations, like it will export with the watermark. And if you buy the premium version or if you purchase the software, then you can do the export without watermark, and other features will be available after that. So we just click on the continue trial right now. Okay, so now we're gonna create a video using our footages and let's see how it goes. So we will import some files. Here are our footages that we recorded previously, and so we are importing them in here. As you see, they have been imported real quick. One thing to mention here is that you can change the project aspect ratio in the settings here in preference. Then if you scroll down, we will get this project menu here. Here you choose the different aspect ratio like 1:1. It is commonly used for Facebook ads or other platforms. Also 9:16, this aspect ratio is for mobile screens actually. So it's very common aspect ratio for TikTok, Facebook Reels, Instagram Reels, etc. So now we're gonna click OK. Then if we take the first clip in here, the clip has been added as we see it here. We can zoom in or zoom out the footage like this. I wish to make a cut here, so here is the icon for making this video clip in two parts. So as you see, it has created a cut here, and we will delete the later part. We will add another clip. It's actually an image, so if we wish to make this like a sliding picture, then we can do that. Before we go any further, let's just go back a little and introduce all the panels here. So this is the timeline panel, and this is the media panel actually. Here are all the media, asset store, different kinds of assets from the asset store, many solid backgrounds, landscape footages, so many assets here. Also you can use these sound effects, background music, and these text effects, transitions, effects, subtitles, many more. Okay, and this is the playback panel, and this is the effect panel. Here you see the properties of the media you are using, and if you use any effects, then you will see that in here. And animation properties in here. Animation means the transitions or other animations. And then if you color grade your footage, you can see that in here. Like I want to make this a cold tone, so I will change the temperature from the middle to the left side. You see the color tone has been changed. And if I wish to make this a more dramatic, then I have adjusted few other properties like brightness, contrast, so it looks like a bit dramatic or cinematic than before. And I want to add an animation, so the in animation it will be like this. So if I use this, then see, this is the animation. As you see, when the picture appears, there is actually nothing, so black screen appears. I want this animation to be happened earlier, so I will take this a little back like in here. And now if I press the play, there you go, it's done. I want to color grade this footage also. For that I will go to this color option here, then I will change the color tone to cold, and I will change the tone also. I think these two footages has matched. Now I will add another footage. I have edited a out transition here, and then you see the next footage appear dramatically. Now I will color grade this footage also. Another thing is that you can add many effects on these clips. Like if you go to this effect panel here, then you will see so many effects here. Like if I add this effect, I'm just gonna click here, this download icon. Actually when it gets downloaded, then you will see this plus icon to add the effects on the footage. Just on click and then you will see that it has been added. So here is the effects. This looks so cool. Also after editing the effect, then you can choose the time duration of the effects. You can increase the duration just like this or decrease it. And then if you want to add the effect properties, you just need to select the effect. Then you will see here is the speed option, and then alpha is to make the effects more visible or invisible. It's actually decrease or increase the opacity of the effects. Okay, one thing here, if your video clip is shaky or it has many camera shake when it was being filmed, you can stabilize this footage very easily just by clicking here. It has a stabilization option, like you can choose the level of smoothness you want to achieve, and when you click it, it will get processed. After it get processed, it will be automatically fully stabilized. If your video footage is long, then it will take more time, or if it's a short clip, then it will take less time. We will add few more clips. We will shorten these clips where we think they fit well. Also here are lots of effects, so we can use them to create amazing looks. Like we can use this sparkle here. So you see that's quite a fine touch. So you see here are lots of effects, and we have some audio effects also, some audio visualizer actually. We can use them with some music tracks, and this will looks cool. So now we're gonna add a music, background music. So we will hover to the sound panel here, and we see some categories like cheerful, gentle, beat. So we will choose accordingly, like here nature, normal, different categories. So as you see, the audio has been added. We will make a cut here and we will delete the extra part. Now if we add this audio visualizer, you can choose different kinds of audio visualizer like this. Audio visualizer looks good with the overall clips, so I'm gonna edit that. I have extended the audio visualizer from start to end. In every clip that's being played, you will see the audio visualizer. I will edit the text right now. There are lots of variation of text with many effects, some 3D effects, some colorful effects. You can choose from these, and then you can later on adjust different colors, schemes, and many things. When we edit the text, we can animate it with many options. We can edit the in animations or the out animation. We can then create some loops, and if we wish to change colors, size, font, and then other options like shadow, adding a drop shadow, and backgrounds, we can do all of them. So these are the functions of this HitPaw Edimakor. There are lots of text templates in here. You can add like my vlogs. You can add different types of text prompts. These templates has lots of options. So if you want to add like button, subscribe button, you can add them. These all makes a good shorts overall. So I can add this, like in the end I can add this like button just like this. There are lots of titles, some promo templates, text templates, and various types of text overall. So here we can see lots of stickers, animated stickers, and we can add more animations later on, like customizing various properties. I want to show you how this filter works. Let's just revert this footage color, and then now if I want to create the cyberpunk look, I will just first find it, then apply it. So here are the categories of different kinds of filters: fresh looks, some cool white looks, some stylized looks, movie style, punk style, cyber style, food, classic, shadows, night scenes, and many more. So artistic, cameras, mono. From cyber style we can add these frost looks, like the looks got changed. Okay, so here it is guys. This is how you can create a new short from scratch. You can edit your own footage, or you can get some from the asset store. You have so many effects to play with. You can add them easily, and after applying you can customize them. There are lots of variations, and if you don't like something then you can easily adjust that. This HitPaw Edimakor has lots of functions in it, and I guess it's worth a try. After your project finish, you can then export it from these exporting settings here, like the resolution, the encoding format, H.264 or H.265. Also here is AV1. Then you can choose the bitrate, the frame rate, and you can also get some presets for YouTube, TikTok Shorts, or even Instagram. These are pretty handy. Then after you click the export button, the video will get exported. This is it guys. You can easily create a short video using this HitPaw Edimakor. This HitPaw Edimakor is like beginner friendly. It has lots of features and really a overkill for beginners. So that's it guys. This is for today. Hope we will bring you exciting videos in the upcoming time. Anyway, see you later.